On the last video, we have created the Cloudways account. Now on this video, we will show how to create applications, how to create the servers and everything else. So after creating your account, you will land at this page here, application and server details. You need to select. So here there are some applications you can select that are suitable for you. If you want to create custom apps using Laravel, you can put Laravel. If you want to create a WooCommerce store, you can select the WooCommerce. We are selecting WordPress. Here you can put your website name or application name. So I put it test. The server, you need to put the server name, and the project name is test project. After that, you need to select the server. There are 5 different servers: DigitalOcean, vultr, Linode, Amazon, Google Cloud Server. The first 3 servers are free for 3 days, but the next 2 servers you need to upgrade your plan to use this server. So let's talk about the DigitalOcean. Here the server size, you need to select the server size. There are multiple, the size is depending on the RAM. 1 GB RAM, then it's 2 GB RAM. Here 1 GB RAM plus 25 GB NVMe disk. But on the first plan, you will get SSD disk. This 2 GB, here you will see you can get 50 GB SSD disk. This plan, you will get NVMe disk. Select any of the flexible size you need. So for our case, we choose the 2 GB. When you change the server, you can select other servers configurations like 2 GB, 4 GB for vultr. For Linode, same, you can choose the RAM size. Okay, let's continue. Here, location part, you need to put the server location. Here you need to try the closest location of your visitors. So if your visitors are from United States, you need to select the New York. If your visitors are from Singapore or on Asia, you can select the Asia. And if your visitors are from Europe, you can use London. We are choosing New York. Now on this footer, you can see the pricing. It is 0.03 per hour and 28 USD per month. If you choose the 1 GB RAM, it will decrease to 14 USD and 0.01 hourly. So let's launch our first project. It will take up to 7 minutes to operate this server. So the server has been created. You can see the IP address assigned to the server. If you click here, you can see the credentials of the server, the public IP, the username and the password, and the SS keys. Monitoring, here you can see you can monitor your servers, how much RAM it's using. Now the server is using 446 MB of RAM, 1.92, and the CPU is 100%. The disk management, here you can see the disks used by the server, 8 GB used out of 50 GB. Bandwidth, the bandwidth is not available now. After creating the website, you can see the bandwidths. Manage services, here you can see which services are running and which services are not running. Packages and settings, so here you can change the execution time on basic. Upload size, you can change the upload size of the server. You can change the memory limit from here. You can change other informations, time zones from here. From here you can install and uninstall and or modify any of the packages like PHP packages. You can modify it. On optimization, you have some more option on optimization, like you can remove all the file on temporary folder, and you can remove the other files for cleanup. On maintenance, you can put your server on maintenance on a specific time. Then go to the security tab. Here you can get the SSH FTP for file sharing of this server, and here you get the MySQL database informations. And here on vertical scaling, you can upgrade or downgrade your server size. On backups, you can create backups manually by by clicking here. You can create backup manually, or you can set a backup for 1 hour or 1 days, so it will frequently back up the server every 1 day. Or you can change it to 2 days so that it will change, it will back up the whole server every 2 days, and you can specify the time when the backup operation will operate. Then SMTP, it's for sending emails. Here you can have some SMTP servers, predefined SMTP servers. So this is for sending mails, SMTP. So that's all about the server. On the next video, we will talk about the application, creating a new application to managing the applications, creating new websites, and creating unlimited website on a single server. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.